Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best small doorknob you can get for your home, the HOSOM Passage Doorknob in matte black. This sleek, modern, and keyless knob is perfect for interior doors such as hallways, closets, and other non-locking areas. Let's dive into why this product stands out. When it comes to door hardware, finding the right balance between style, functionality, and durability is essential. The HOSOM Passage Doorknob nails it with its minimalist matte black finish, which complements a variety of modern home decor styles. Its simple yet elegant design fits seamlessly into both residential and commercial spaces, making it versatile for any room. One of the standout features of this knob is its universal application. It's designed for both left and right-handed doors, offering a reversible design that ensures it will work in almost any scenario. Whether you're installing it on a closet, hallway, or bedroom door, you can count on it fitting perfectly. The adjustable latch is another convenience that makes installation a breeze. It fits standard back sets of 2-3/8 and 2-3/4, and the lock set accommodates doors ranging from 1-3/8 to 1-3/4 thick. This ensures that you won't run into compatibility issues, no matter the type of door you're working with. And the best part? The installation process is straightforward. You'll find all the necessary hardware in the package, along with an easy-to-follow manual, so you won't need to hire a professional to get the job done. Now, let's talk about the quality. Constructed from zinc alloy, this doorknob is built to last. It's ANSI BHMA Grade 3 certified, which means it meets high standards for durability and strength. That certification guarantees that the HOSOM Passage Doorknob will stand the test of time, offering long-lasting functionality for years to come. The matte black finish not only gives it a contemporary look but also features an anti-fingerprint coating, keeping it clean and smudge-free even with regular use. This means you'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the sleek appearance of your door hardware. In terms of performance, the HOSOM Passage Doorknob works effortlessly. It's keyless, meaning you won't have to worry about losing your keys. It's perfect for doors that don't require a locking mechanism, like closets and hallway doors. The round knob design provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to open and close doors with minimal effort. If you're looking for a doorknob that combines modern aesthetics with high-quality construction, the HOSOM Passage Doorknob is a great choice. Whether you're renovating your home or just need a replacement for a worn-out knob, this product will elevate the look of any room while providing reliable function. So, if you want a small doorknob that packs a punch in terms of both style and durability, the HOSOM Passage Doorknob in matte black is the way to go. It's easy to install, built to last, and its design will seamlessly integrate into your home. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and make sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews.